Welcome back to where we delve into the world of motorcycles, exploring their history, design, and performance. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special for you, the 2026 Brough Superior SS1. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the legacy, design, engineering, and performance of this iconic motorcycle. Before we dive into the specifics of the SS1, it's essential to understand the rich history of Brough Superior. Founded in 1919 by George Brough, the company quickly gained a reputation for producing high-performance motorcycles that combined luxury with exceptional engineering. Often referred to as the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, Brough Superior set standards that many manufacturers still aspire to today. Site Turn Zero Search 7. One of the most celebrated models in Brough Superior's lineup is the SS100. Originally introduced in 1924, the SS100 became synonymous with speed and elegance. Riders like T. Lawrence, famously known as Lawrence of Arabia, contributed to its legendary status. Site Turn Zero Search 4. Fast forward to 2026, and Brough Superior has reimagined the SS100, now christened as the SS1. This modern iteration pays homage to its predecessors while incorporating contemporary design and technology. The 2026 SS1 exudes timeless elegance with a design that honors its heritage. The fuel tank features a flowing form, accentuated by a carbon fiber fin inspired by Aston Martin's side-strake design. This fin runs along the tank, under the hand-stitched leather saddle, creating a seamless visual flow. Site Turn Zero Search 6. The front cowl is equipped with aerodynamic wings, drawing inspiration from Aston Martin's S-curve design, providing downforce and enhancing stability at high speeds. The attention to detail is evident, with every curve and line meticulously crafted to evoke the spirit of classic motorcycles while embracing modern aesthetics. At the heart of the SS1 lies a turbocharged 997 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering a remarkable 180 horsepower. This marks the first time Brough Superior has introduced a turbocharged engine in its lineup, showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation. Site Turn Zero Search 6. The engine's design ensures optimal performance, with a dry weight of just 180 kilograms, contributing to the motorcycle's agility and responsiveness. The lightweight construction is a testament to Brough Superior's dedication to combining power with maneuverability. The SS1's chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring a machined titanium frame paired with a titanium subframe. This combination offers unparalleled strength-to-weight ratio, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. Site Turn Zero Search 2. The front suspension utilizes a Fear-type aluminum casting fork with twin articulated titanium links, complemented by a monoshock adjustable for preload and rebound damping, offering 120 millimeters of travel. The rear suspension mirrors this setup, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride, whether on city streets or winding country roads. Safety and performance go hand in hand with the SS1's braking system. Equipped with four 230mm stainless steel floating discs at the front, paired with Behringer 4D 4-piston radial mount calipers, the braking response is both sharp and reliable. The rear features a single 230mm disc with a 2-piston caliper, ensuring balanced braking performance. Site Turn Zero Search 3. The SS1 rides on CNC-forged aluminum rims with 18 spokes, shod with Michelin Pilot road tires. The front tire measures 120/70 R18, while the rear is 160/60 R18, striking a perfect balance between grip and durability, enhancing the motorcycle's handling characteristics. Designed with rider comfort and performance in mind, the SS1 boasts the following dimensions. These specifications ensure that the SS1 offers a comfortable yet engaging riding experience, suitable for both short commutes and long-distance journeys. Site Turn Zero Search 8. Understanding that each rider has unique preferences, Brough Superior offers extensive customization options for the SS1. Customers can choose from various finishes, including traditional black and silver, titanium, or a combination of black and silver with gold lines. Additionally, options for wheels, handlebars, footrests, and seats allow riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual tastes. Site Turn Zero Search 2. On the road, the SS1 delivers an exhilarating experience. The turbocharged engine provides instant throttle response, propelling the motorcycle forward with impressive acceleration. The The lightweight construction and advanced suspension system ensure agile handling, allowing riders to navigate corners with confidence. The braking system offers precise control, instilling confidence in various riding conditions. Whether cruising on highways or tackling twisty backroads, the SS1 adapts seamlessly, providing a dynamic and enjoyable ride. As a bespoke motorcycle, the SS1 comes with a premium price tag, reflecting its craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity. Prices start at £100,000, with customization options influencing the final cost. Production is limited, with each motorcycle meticulously handcrafted to order, ensuring that every SS1 is a unique masterpiece. The 2026 Brough Superior SS1 is a testament to the brand's enduring legacy and commitment to innovation. It masterfully blends classic design elements with modern technology, offering riders a motorcycle that is both a joy to ride and a work of art. For enthusiasts seeking a machine that embodies luxury, performance, and exclusivity, the SS1 stands as a compelling choice. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2026 Brough Superior SS1. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on the latest in motorcycle design and technology. Until next time, ride safe and keep the spirit of motorcycling alive.